Okay, so what we got is a VW Caravelle 2020 installed with the GON 2K Super HD dash cam. As you can see, it's beautifully installed. You get a phone app included with it, so you can download the videos directly to your phone. So you can see the front camera there. You also got the rear camera as well. That's installed all the way in the back, and you can download the videos directly to your phone. So all the videos are date and time stamped. If you want this installed on your VW, see the link down below. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe to our channel.